Hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we're gonna move forward in our meme app. And in my last video I have shown how we can create this whole app, in which if you click this next button you will always find a new um, meme, okay, or just a image. Okay, it's not a meme but it will be image. So it is fetching this whole thing from Reddit, and the APIs and other stuff will be given in the description below that I have used. And if you haven't watched the last video, you can just go over there, watch my last video, and have a look. Okay. Every time I click on this, it will always give me a new meme. Okay, always everything is coming from Reddit. Everything, not it will be a dank meme. Okay, so okay, so leave it. So now what we wanna do, we want that on this home page, okay, we should have a button on which if I click on this, then this URL of this image should be shared with some of my contact or on WhatsApp or any of the other thing. You might have seen this feature in many of the what you can say applications. Okay, so we are gonna just create the same thing. So material button, we will create a material button. Okay, on press, currently I'm not doing anything. And child will be a text, yeah, text, and it will say share. Yeah, if I save it, it's a little bit, yeah. So you can see that we got a share button. Okay, so this is thing, and if I click on this, so I have to get something like that. So Flutter by default, it does not have any of that thing, so any of the feature. So for that there is a plugin. I don't know that if there is a feature in Flutter by default that comes with it. If it comes, then please comment me down and I will definitely acknowledge that. But as far as I know, there is no such thing. And so for that there comes a plugin that name is share. Okay, this is a plugin. Okay, so but it's being deprecated, and it has a share plus. So all the feature that in this whole thing is exactly the same. Okay, so we are gonna use this thing. So firstly what we need to do, we need to add that. So installing, I'm gonna just focus on this whole thing. So we will just copy this share plus, go in our pubsec.yaml, and just below the http I will just paste it, yeah, and I save. It will bring the exactly same thing. Okay, it will download the dependencies and will give us the result with exit code 0. Yeah, we got that. Now what we want to that, we want that if I click on this whole thing, okay, here this URL, okay, this image URL should be shared. Okay, so for that firstly you can see that in our example, I'm just trying to go with the stuff. So we will just copy this share plus, because this is the import that we need to do. So I'm gonna come here and paste it. And now if you see the readme, you can see that here you can directly share some of the text. Okay, or you can just go with the things like this thing. Okay, share with subject and mailing. So I'm not gonna focus on email part. Okay, I'm just gonna focus on this thing. So, okay, so I will just copy this whole stuff. Let me just copy it. Okay, and I will just paste it here. Okay, so you can see that this is the thing. So firstly let us just save it and see do we get that functionality or not. Okay, so we have a image and it will definitely have a URL, and if I click on this share button, okay, so we got a error, missing plugin exception implement found. No, okay, So what we will do now, we will just go to this example. I think it will go with the context and other stuff. Here we will have, yeah, we have a button, and yeah, we have a text button. It is saying that text on share we will call a, okay, yeah, I knew that it would be that thing. So we have to do something like this. So I will just try to copy this whole stuff, as I don't want to waste much of the time, because I will definitely provide this whole thing to you all. So we'll just remove this thing. Okay, and we will just create a function here. Okay, we have context and each and everything, and for time being, uh, I'm not gonna go with the text or other stuff. Okay, so we will just remove all this thing. Okay, we'll just say okay, and we'll just remove this if and else, because I'm not gonna go with the image part. I just want that this whole thing should be shared. Okay, and now what we want that, if I click on this, we should call that with context. Okay, on pressed, it should call on share with context, and we have a space. If I click on this, I hope there is no issue now. If I click on this share button, let's see what happens. It might take a little bit time because it's an emulator, and yeah, let's see. Let us just have a, like, let's have a deep print console, so that we can understand that we are always calling this function. Okay, so we have hot reloaded that, and if I click on this, okay, so we are not even getting this thing. Why not getting called by this? I think I need to post it, this thing. I think let's reload all this stuff. Okay, so let it restart, and I hope that now it should work. Come on, it's taking so much long. Let me just stop the whole stuff, because yeah, now we will run it again. Let's wait while this whole thing. Okay, So yeah, if you are new to this channel, guys, just support me because I try to bring this type of videos every day for you all, because I try to create apps for you all so that you can learn something. And basically I have always tried to create apps for the beginners. So if you are a beginner, then all the series or like of the Facebook or UI or WhatsApp UI or another anything else, that will definitely try to help you all. So you can just follow me on GitHub, or you can just subscribe this channel for any of the other update. You can directly go to the my GitHub repository, uh, and you can directly find all these stuff. Okay, all my links on the home page only. Okay, you can just find all the links. You can see that these are all the links. So if you wanna contact me on any of the thing, and then you can directly come over here. And we also have a WhatsApp group. Okay, and if you are on Telegram, I will add that Telegram link also. By the way, you can directly find that thing on the uh, this, what you can say, WhatsApp. Okay, and yeah, you can directly support me like this. Okay, so let's wait while this thing works. Okay, so the app is now installed. It took a while to install. I think that there is some issue with this plugin, as you can see that we are getting some issue. uh, just leave. Okay, leave it, we will not figure it out right now. But my app is now installed, and I hope that this time it does not give any of the issues. Okay, so we have this button, and if I click on this, we got this thing. Yeah, you can see that we got the stuff like share on Bluetooth, Gmail, this. Okay, as this thing don't have any of the other stuff. So if I directly copy it and I can just paste it over here. If you are on, if you use WhatsApp or something like that, you can try to install the application on a mobile, and then you will definitely feel this share button. Okay, so if you are new to, yeah, you can new to the channel, just subscribe. And if you have any of the comments regarding this thing, so you can just comment me down, and I will definitely get back to you on that. And if you have also have any suggestion, just feel free to drop down that in the comment, and I will definitely get back to you on that. So wrapping up this whole meme app series now. So that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day.